We dey committed to increase revenue for Naija before Presido Buhari Komot office. Mohammed Bello Shehu na im tok dis one. Presido Buhari don swear in Mohammed Bello Shehu wey go be di Chairmo for di Revenue Mobilization Allocation and Fiscal Commission, and dis one dey in line with Section 154 subsection 1 of di 1999 Constitution as amended. Dis one happen before dem start di Federal Executive meeting for Wednesday for Abuja. Mohammed Bello Shehu come tok say di new role dey sweet im belle and e go do im best say di new role na big one as e go assist di Presido to get more money for di country, take care of salaries of stakeholders and judicial officers and other ogbonge roles.
I must give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for making Mr. President to bestow this big responsibility on my person. I may not be the best in Nigeria, but in his wisdom, he decided to make me the Chairman, Revenue Mobilization Allocation and Fiscal Commission. I'm very happy. Our task as revenue mobilization is how we can assist Mr. President to get more revenue for the Federation, block leakages, looking at the constitutional responsibility of the Commission, which of course are, monitoring of accruals to Federation account and disbursement, and also taking care of the salaries of political office holders and judicial officers as enshrined in the Constitution. That had not been reviewed since 2008, and I think there is agitation for that. Revenue allocation formula had not been touched for about 29 years. The Constitution says after a period of 5 years can be reviewed looking at the circumstances of the country. More states have been created. And also our other responsibility, like monitoring of CBN, monitoring of Ministry of Finance, Customs, NNPC, those are huge tasks. I know there is a lot of debate on whether there is operating surplus, like some of the agencies of government will claim that what they are getting is surplus of revenue. Revenue is revenue as far as the commission is concerned.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.